Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Windows services will not start in Windows 11, which is a very critical issue, then please watch this video. Now, there could be two reasons behind it. The first one is interference by third-party software products, and the second one is that the files associated with the services are broken. There's no other reason. So, the first solution will be to perform a clean boot. Search for system configuration and then go to system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.